Hello everybody សួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងដើរមើលដំណាំខ្ញុំ Let's go take a tour update Today is Thursday July 28 2022 It's 7:00 p.m. Let's go take a tour together That's Louise. Louise, say hi to camera. An update on my cucumber melon. I see some babies coming out. Oh, Louise, thank you for that. See this? That's a little cucumber melon. Ani pesat ni tu kedap pesat tu na. And it's my marigold flower, gas by rương. This is a different kind. I'm gonna save the seed for this ad. Oh, no, some more cucumber melon. Kedap mati dah. There's a lot. See a lot of cucumber melon producing. Cilantro are doing very good. Loofah, nonong. This one right here, I think my mom's gonna keep to make seed to put. Anang to put. This one is Chinese broccoli. To put dai. This flower right here. The name is very long. It's hard for me to pronounce. But cá này dừng nhằm cá ba nhằm sạc bàn. You can eat the plant, the leaf, and the seed. The name starts with an N. And it said to grow that flower between cabbage, whatever have that thick leaf, broccoli, to prevent worms. I don't believe it. I still see little worms on it. But I think I believe in miracle grow gold flower and Thai basil. When you grow between tomato, you don't see any tomato worms. Okay? And that is my trellis. And this is the hairy melon. I need to light. Light thom á nè. Some more eggplant. You know what this is? Đầm cà cha. I see some bean. សណ្ដែកមានផ្លែហើយ មានសណ្ដែកមានផ្លែហើយណាផ្លែទូច This is a nice size. Nè, That's the long bean. That's a good size. I can pick this to eat, but no, don't do it. My mom will get mad at me. Bye. And that's my neighbor dog. Oh, little bitter melon is coming out. Maria. It's cucumber. Some Tina, that's Tina right there. It's hard to grow Tina. Yeah, she eat anything. And she like to complain a lot. Honey cloak, Chinese gourd. That's the long version. I think it's more than 12-inch long right now. Got a few more babies coming out. Oh, that means đậpច្រើនạ. Cloak. Here's my fig tree down Lavia, Min Playa. So far I had 1, 2, 3 Min Baida. That's alright. First year. I just started growing this year. That's my fig tree. And this is my passion fruits. And that's my trellis with a bench. Trơn miên ở cái ảnh coi. Still working on my projects right here. Project មួយទៀត អានេះចាំបាន brick free. If I see on Facebook Market I have free brick, I'll go pick it up and do it again. No hurry. In the meantime, I'll let this die. ខ្ញុំចាំពេលគេឲ្យអានេះ free ទៅយកហើយចាំធ្វើទៀត to be continued. អានេះ fire pit គេធ្វើថ្ងៃមុនណា This is my fire pit. It's done. It's complete. Let's go. The tomato. Pin pa. Pin pa. This is a big tomato. Đừng pui sấy bà big boy đừng. See how I grow marigold, cà bài rương, Thai basil together to prevent a hornworm. Last year I did that too. I don't see any hornworm. So hopefully this year will be the same. Still growing. Tomato is big. Look at this one. You see this one, Louise? Is big. Ooh, and the corn, grandma corn. And this is Asian corn. And it's both Asia. It's different from American corn. Yep. You like to go over there, Louise. Come here. This is baby chive. Cái trái vậy tha cái trái. It smells like chive. She grow this from the seed. Got the dog big crop. This is cherry tomato. This cherry tomato is taller than the fence now. Oh, it's going to the other neighbors' houses being naughty. Pin pa ni man ạ, plaiច្រើនạ. I think this one is orange. A cherry tomato. Let's check it out. Do you have any caterpillar? I don't see it. You guys see caterpillar? Let me know, okay? I'll come and pick it. Oh no, it's wrong. I thought it was a caterpillar. Ooh! I thought this one right here. Neat. It looked like a caterpillar, but it's not. Man, này. Bà Hồng pua cái hù. Thông đấy đó. You know, to me, tomato is very easy to grow, and I'm on a gardening group. They say it's very hard to grow, but tomato, very easy. You can cut up the runner and poke it in the soil. It will grow again. Same thing with that four-legged dog right there. Very easy to grow, yes. Cái sờ bãi kia, cái bàn rót lây nhé. Oh, this is my pear tree. Asian pear. It cracked. Somehow a few of them are cracked. With pressure. But it's okay. I have some friends that have a lot of pear trees. I can get it from them, the fruits. And this persimmon here, it doesn't hold its fruits. អត់កាន់ផ្លែជ្រុះអស់ហើយដើមត្រឡប់នេះហ៎ Maybe next year, hopefully it will stay fruits, but somehow it's all falling. Some more hairy melon. តឡាចមកក្តាប់តឡាច Túiស្អាត now you see that? Oh, it's so cute. This is Tomatillo. Have a lot of buds yet. This okra, I don't know, it's gonna grow big. Chamuma. Like okra, chamuma with tom. Ooh. Tina. Moringa, damarum. Dragon fruit. No hopes. Fly sakani, down sakani. Jasmine. Emily. I don't know what is this. Probably ginger. I don't know. Another jasmine, different kind. This one is 26 years old. I need to pay moreឆ្នាំណា Chive, green onion, lemongrass, slakray. And over there is goji berry. Some more tomato. On this side, chi sang cả hồng. Chi bò trái chi cả hòm.